I know you might hear me say this quite often, dear Aries, and I'm happy to be on repeat with this one. And that is that it's absolutely mind-blowing what you have access to and the space that becomes available to you when you take the time to listen to the sound of quiet. So essentially you're connecting to the quiet, and in that quiet, the usual mental chaos that you're connected to doesn't exist. It doesn't live in that quiet space. And the key is to be able to listen to the sound of quiet, all of which then brings you into the present moment. It allows you to be in the body, listening to the sound of quiet. And in that space of quiet, there lies, if there's an answer, your wisdom, your piece of creativity, the next move in your life, your blueprint, whatever it is that you will need in order to move to the next space or phase of your life. In your mind, there will be chaos, noise, and everybody else's version of life and blueprints and information and so on and so forth. Up to you which one you want to listen to. And know the one that will get you to the space that matters most for you, which at the moment for the Aries is going to be a very creative space. And then the mental is just chaos.